Hello everyone, welcome to the new Docker topic that is nothing but copy versus add. As you all know, like we used to write a Docker file to create a custom Docker image, and these two instructions, copy and add, is one of the thing that we used to write within the Docker file to copy the file from Docker host within the custom Docker image. So why we have to use add if we already have the copy? So there is one extra feature that is provided by the add, and that feature we are going to learn in practical because it will be very difficult to explain in theoretical manner. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just check if I have any image along with us. No, let me pull nginx image, and then I'll create a custom Docker image from nginx, in which I'm going to first use copy, and then I'll try and go ahead use add as well. Okay, so this image got pulled successfully. Let's go ahead and create a custom Docker image. First, I'll go ahead and make use of the copy, and to copy this file.txt under the tmp folder, and I should have this file available on my Docker host as well. So let me create it. This is the Docker file, and this is the file.txt. Okay, let's go ahead and create a custom Docker image now. I'll say nginx copy. It got created successfully, and now I'll create a container from this so that I'll confirm whether the file got I mean to say file got copied within the custom image successfully or not, because if file is copied to the custom image, and then definitely it will come within the container as well. C1 and give it a name C1, and I want to create it from nginx copy, and let's log in within this. As I have copied within the TMP folder, so that's where I go into the TMP and check for the file, and great, the file which I copied within the custom image is available over here. Okay, so that's cool so far. Now I'll replace copy with add, and I'll keep everything as it is and create a custom image one more time. This time I'll name it as add. Again, create a custom image. Name of the container will be C2 because C1 already exists, and log in within it. And yeah, as of now, we don't see any difference because whatever the thing or whatever the functionality of the copy was doing, the same function add is also doing over here. Okay, what we are going to do now, if there is any compressed file like tar file or zip file or tzz file, any compressed file is there, then how copy and add will react to that. Let's see. Okay, so I'll delete this file. Let me create some files A, B, C, D, and I'll create a tar file of this. Means I'm going to compress all those files within a single tar file. Okay, I'll say CVF. C is for compress, V is like verbose, so that we will see the output, and F is to forcefully. Give it a name as my.tar. Any name is fine, but it should end with .tar, and I'm going to compress ABCD file within the my.tar. So we got this my.tar as a compress file, and within that ABCD is present. So let me delete this ABCD as it's of no use now, and let's make use of the copy statement to transfer this tar file within a custom image. Copy. What I want while copying the tar file under the TMP folder, I want it to be extracted automatically. So let's see copy can do it or not for us. Okay, I don't want only tar file to be copied. I want it should get extracted first and then copy to the slash tmp. Okay, so let me build it one more time. Let me show you the content of the Docker file first, and let's build it now. Give it a tag as new, or you can give it a tag as a tar as well. It's up to us what we have to provide. We have built it. Let's create a container now. Container from copy and tar. And name of the container will be C3, and let's execute within it. C3 slash tmp ls. No, copy is not extracting anything. Okay, so my expectation is not satisfied by the copy command. Let's see with add as well. I'll keep it add now. Everything will remain as it is. Okay, let's create a custom image one more time. Every time you update a Docker file, you have to create a custom image again. Okay, so once we are done with this image creation part, we need to create a container. Once you are done with creating container, log into that, and great. You can see ABCD file is there. There is no my.tar. So add is capable of extracting as well. So copy and add is one and the same thing. If you want to copy a single file or non-extract, I mean to say non-compress file. But when it comes to the compress file, copying within the custom image, then copy will only copy that compress file, but tar file is going to I mean to say add is going to extract it as well. Copy will not extract it for us. So that is the small difference between copy and add, but it's very important to understand when it comes to any interview questions or preparing for any exam. So I hope now you understood the difference between copy and add, and I have created a entire Docker series if from scratch. If you want to learn Docker in great detail, I mean to say like Docker images, containers, volumes, and Docker Compose, all those things I have already uploaded to my Docker series. So feel free to go through that. And if you have any doubt related to this, please share your comments to my comment section. And thank you so much. I hope you like the content. Enjoy the day. Bye bye.